We haven't had a martini in a while, so let's do a martini.
I do love a martini.
Staying with the fall theme, we're gonna make salted caramel martinis.
You are my favorite person.
Thank you, baby. Well, let's start this party off with 1.5 ounces of salted caramel vodka. It smells so sweet. I'm already hating life, but we'll see how it goes. 1/2 ounce of butterscotch schnapps.
I'm afraid to say anything positive because I know that you're going to say something stupid.
We can drizzle these glasses with caramel syrup if we had caramel syrup, but somebody forgot to get caramel syrup.
Yeah.
So, put caramel syrup in this.
Yeah, presentation-wise, caramel syrup would have been awesome.
It's called a Creamy Caramel Martini.
It doesn't look creamy.
Well, it's supposed to have caramel in it, so,
Oh.
you know, whatever. That's what it looks like. And then we're gonna take
Oh, I love these cherries.
cherries.
Oh, they're so good. A martini has to have a little something floating in the bottom.
Away. Cheers to a Creamy Caramel Martini.
Wow. Okay, here we go. Oh, yes. I knew you wouldn't like it. I knew you wouldn't like it. It's too sweet for you, but for me, it's not. You know what you could do is a rim with salt. Like a salted caramel rim of it.
Cherries are real good.
The whole drink is delicious.